In this video, I am going to show you easy ways to factory reset your Samsung Smart TV. Without further ado, let's get started. First, turn on your Samsung Smart TV and press the Home button on your remote. Navigate to Settings, General, Reset or Support, Self-Diagnosis, Reset on some models. Enter your TV's PIN, default is 0000, and confirm the reset. Your TV will restart and restore factory settings. If you don't have a remote, press and hold the power and volume down buttons on the TV panel for a few seconds. Some models also support reset via the SmartThings app on your phone. After the reset, set up your TV again by connecting to Wi-Fi and signing into your Samsung account. This method helps fix software issues, performance problems, and incorrect settings. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.